Let's make some money again, guys. As you can see on my screen here, guys, I have 11,533 USDT. That's my final balance on my Binance account. Before, guys, I proceed, I want to put a disclaimer remark here that this video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you do exactly what I'm doing. Remember, this is for educational purpose only, and unless you do what I'm doing. Okay, so without wasting time, guys, on this video today I will be showing you on how to trade crypto arbitrage. Today is on which date? Today is on 12th May of 2026. I will be teaching you how to trade crypto arbitrage and turn your little capital on your Binance account to capital like mine. As you can see, I have 11,533. That's cash 1,488,015 equivalent. Okay, so on this video, guys, I'll be teaching you on how you will buy USDT low on Binance, and then you'll go on Trexbik and sell it high. Okay, this is my Trexbik account. As you can see, I have now a balance of 223 USD. So I'm going to show you how you can do this trade and make passive income from home. So without wasting time, let's do it. The first step, guys, you need to have a Binance funded account. You fund your Binance at least with $100 or $200 or $1,000, and then you need to have a Trexbik account. This Trexbik, you just go on your Google browser here, Google, and then, guys, you search Trexbik. Once you search Trexbik, it will open like that. You just see the spelling well. It's trexbic.com. Okay, very beautiful. So now, guys, without wasting time, let's do this. So I hope you already have your Trexbik and you have logged in. Okay, so you can see I'm logged into mine. So the next step you need to do is you click on the three dots here, and then you go to P2P market, and then, guys, you click on buy USDT, and then you choose payment method is USDT, and then amount you put, let's say what you are going to trade with. For me, I'll trade with 500 today, and then, guys, I'm going to buy 500 worth of USDT. So what the next step I need to do is find someone who has a good offer. You can see this Olomide Adebayo has 0.9 per USDT, so I'll not do that. You see Emeka Nusu has 0.8. I'll do this one. So I'll click buy from Emeka Nusu, and then I'll put amount 500. You see 500, guys, will give me 603. After fees, I'll have 591. So that's almost 91 USDT in profit. Okay, so, guys, I'll click on proceed with purchase, and then I'll click on pay, and then, guys, I'll click on confirm order. So now I'm going to pay the vendor. You see that the payment page loading. So here I am on the payment page. What I'm going to do, guys, I'll click on copy this address. This is the payment address. So I'll copy the address, and once I copy the address, guys, I'll go back to my Binance account, and then I'll click on assets. Once I click on assets, I'll click on send button, and then I'll click withdraw crypto, and then, guys, I'll click choose USDT since I have it, and then, guys, I'll long press that address here, and the network, guys, I'm going to put TRX Tron TRC20, and then, guys, amount I'm going to put 500. Because of the fee, you see the amount that will be sent will be 498, which is not good. So you need to put the exact amount. So I'm going to put 501.1 so that 500 USDT can be sent out. Okay, now I'll click on withdraw. Now, guys, I'm going to put my passkeys. Remember, guys, do not show anyone your passkeys. These are your own financial advice. Do not show anyone your passkeys. because of security breach. So I'm going to hide my passkeys now, and then I'll get back when I put it. So now guys, I have put my passkey, and you can see the withdrawal is now processing. So if I click on view history here, you see the USDT is now processing out. So now the next step, I will go back to my Trexbik account, and then I'll scroll down, and you see this button said I have paid. Do not click cancel. So now guys, the next step, I'll have to click I have paid. Very nice. So now once you click on I have paid, you need to be patient for at least 1 to 2 minutes for the payment to be detected automatically. So now as I wait for the payment, I'll text the vendor here. Hi Emeka, I paid. So now I'm texting the vendor so that the vendor can see my charts and then release. I think the vendor has replied that the system will detect it automatically once it's confirmed on chain. Okay, so I'll have to wait, guys. So I'll have to wait. Let's just be patient, very patient, guys. Do not worry anything, just be patient, guys. So now as you can see, I'm patient over here, and it has been processed. You can see the trade has been completed, which means the withdrawal has been detected and payment detected automatically. So now I'll say to the vendor, thanks so much. Okay, so now guys, I'll go back to my account, and I'll show you the balance has updated to 815 from 223, and that's how I made 91 USDT in profit. So now the next step, guys, I'm going to withdraw my profits and my capital to my Binance. Okay, so I'll click on the three dots here, and then I'll go to crypto wallet, withdraw, and then guys, I'm going to my Binance account again. As you can see, now I have 11031, and then guys, I'll click on add funds, and then I'll click on deposit crypto. Okay, and then guys, I'm going to USDT here, and then guys, I'll choose TRX, right? And then I'll copy the address here. All right, after copying the address, guys, I'm going now here and put amount. So I'm supposed to put amount, so I will put amount let's say now I'm going to withdraw, let's say, because I had 223 before, I will withdraw 600 USDT since I made 91, and I had some money in my wallet also. So guys, as you can see, I'm going to receive let me just withdraw the whole amount that I made, 591. You can see I'll now receive 570. That's a profit of 70 USDT 0.31, right, because of this fee. So, and you guys, before you can withdraw amount, remember you have to deposit TRX used for gas. TRX, you can just deposit $10 or $20 worth of TRX. That's about 100 TRX or 50 TRX. Yes, okay, so I'll now continue to withdrawal, and now I'll paste the address that I copied there on my Binance, and then I'll repeat it here, then I'll go review. Okay, so now you see they have sent me a verification code on my email to verify the withdrawal. So guys, I'll copy my verification code here, and then I'll get back here, and then I'll paste the verification code, and then I'll confirm withdrawal. Okay, so now you can see, guys, the withdrawal has been queued automatically. So now let's wait for it to be processed. As you can see, it's now progressing, and that they have given me a blockchain link to track the withdrawal. This one, if I click on view on Transcan here, you can see it's now successful. but it's not confirmed, so it's now confirming, which usually takes about a few minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes. So let's wait for it to be confirmed, guys. Remember, guys, this video is for educational purpose only, unless you do exactly what I'm doing and you follow the instructions carefully. Okay, and also, guys, don't forget to like this video, to promote me, to share with your friends, and also to invite other people to come and watch and also make some passive income from home. And now, guys, I think the withdrawal is now successful. As you can see, 591 credited, 570. I'll click again on Transcan here, and you can see it's now confirmed and it's successful. So now the next step, guys, you can see now my balance is back to 224. So the next step, guys, I need to go to Binance and check the deposit was credited. Let me refresh. As you can see, the deposit has been credited 570. That's 70 USDT in 10 minutes. Okay, and so, guys, since I have already made that profit, I can also show you the another way you can make a passive income from home trading on Trexbeak. You can also trade using AI bots. These are AI bots that can make you some passive income daily. You can see this Pionix Grid bot has a daily earning of 13.06%. You can also, guys, make earnings from trading on futures. Also, you can trade futures on Trexbeak. You can trade using staking rewards. Okay, it's not loading right now. Okay, you can also, guys, do a referral program. You can invite people and earn. Okay, as you can see, I have invited 96 people so far, but nobody has ever deposited, so I can't earn. But once you invite people and they earn, you will make profit. Okay, so that's how I trade and that's how I make a living. And I wish you have a nice day, and please like this video, watch it, share to other people. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely week, and have a lovely month of success and winning. Thank you so much.